Okay, so next thing you want to do is you want to go to your Arch Daily, like I said earlier, okay? Read the text and then highlight each of the items here, content, and place them accordingly to the different sections. Okay, so let's say this one, it talks about the size of the home, the location. So I'm going to place that in the circulation and zoning of the home. Again, I would like to highlight that because I do need to paraphrase this, cite my source using in-text citation. So I'll place here from the article of the architect in Arch Daily. He writes that this beachside residential retreat is can be found. Okay, so you rewrite and paraphrase the text, but you do want to go here and use those research, copy and paste them. That's what I do. Some will do it differently. Okay, I do it this way, but I do highlight the text that I copied and pasted, so I know that I will delete that later. I'm going to have to paraphrase those texts. Okay, so here it talks about innovation, interventions, retractable hydraulic staircase. I think that belongs to the construction system materials, so I'll place that text there. Okay, here it talks about the concept of the design, so most probably this is an architectural feature. So I'm going to highlight this and place that here. Okay, again, make sure you highlight that, so you're going to delete that later. Okay, and then here, facade built in separate layers, precast panels. So I think this can go to my construction system. Okay, talks about the sun temperature and maybe up to there. I can place that here. And again, make sure I highlight that. Okay. This zone houses a semi-interior garden, so maybe this one belongs here under circulation. So I'll place that there. So I'm just gathering information. Okay, of course I can do further research from other articles regarding semi-interior gardens, or I can do more research about cedar louvered panels, control the amount of light. So maybe I can do further research on that and add that here under this section. Okay, so moving forward, interior space flow around open foyer. So I think this one belongs again under circulation. So I'll place that here. Oops. And make sure I highlight that. Okay. This one here, it says this is surrounded by balanced combination of exposed vertical. I think this one goes to the architectural features. So I'm going to cut that and paste that here. Okay. Okay. Inside is minimalist high-tech with guests greeted by stunning retractable hydraulic powered staircase. Again, this one I guess goes to the construction system. Okay, public platform. Maybe up to here. So that belongs under construction systems. Again, make sure you highlight this. Platform articulates a space, both horizontal. Okay, I guess that could go here. And I might be wrong, so I can move that easily to a different section. Okay. And despite the tranquil weather, designed, withstanding wind facade. Okay, panels weather naturally. So I guess that will be an architectural feature or materials. So weathering of materials, so that should belong there. Make sure you delete this, okay? You paraphrase and delete. Otherwise, when you submit this, Turnitin will show this as a copied text. So don't fall into that trap. I'm just doing this for research purposes. Okay, so again, place that text maybe here. Okay, so there's a lot to write about based on the things that I'm able to capture from this website. And of course, I'd like to get the URL and place it here under Appendix C. And I'm going to say here, Arch Daily, place the URL and say visited today, which is October, what's today, 29? Let's just say 9. Oops. Okay. 2019. Okay. So, copy text. Make sure you highlight it so that you're just going to paraphrase those texts and place the URL where you copied that. When you do other research from other websites, make sure you add those information here so that you don't forget, so that you also complete your reference sheet.